Healthcare has always fascinated me. There is always a problem to solve in the healthcare space. I've had a number of experiences personally of the broken healthcare system that we have. So this was a challenge that I had experienced myself with my own family and handling the healthcare needs of my elderly parents. While there is a lot of good investments in the hospital or the facility-based care, outside of facility or outside of hospital, the care has always been very patchy and something that one could not always rely upon to give you the quality and the access at the time you need. When I started Portea in 2013, there were few things which took primacy. One is that the patient and the customer need to be at the center of this whole journey. I was coming from a point of view of the pain that an individual or a customer or a patient faces while accessing healthcare over their lifetime. So I wanted to be an organization which supports this. So the vision has always been, let's look at the customer, let's look at the patient, let's understand what are their requirements and how do we build out a platform or a solution which addresses as many of those needs as possible. This whole concept of keeping the patient in the center is what has led us to create a very comprehensive set of solutions for patients, ranging from primary healthcare to chronic disease management to post-operative care to caring for elderly. We are disrupting how healthcare has been accessed in the past, how you bring in technology, how you bring in partnerships, and how do you ensure that patients can get what they want when they want in the most controlled fashion, that they have a lot more of control over their journey, a lot more of predictability on how their healthcare is being managed. We are present in 16 cities across the country with about 4,000 employees. We do about 150,000 plus home visits every month across the length and breadth of the country. Because of the scale and because we are highly technology driven with a very strong medical oversight, we've been able to quickly put together solutions that are required to support the pandemic. And during this pandemic, we saw a huge scaling of a number of different offerings based on the requirements of the patients for pandemic management. One of the things that is super important is to know that whatever plans you make for a startup, you always underestimate the effort, the money, the time that is required to build it. So if it's going to take much longer to get to the place that you wish it to be, and you might require more money, then you have to be extremely prudent while planning for the financial strategy of the company. Kotak Mahindra has been a very strong partner for us right from the time we incorporated, not just for Portea, but also a number of my other startups. We have about a dozen startups as a family, and across multiple of these, Kotak has been a very key partner for us. And in the case of Portea, apart from our regular banking work, they also provided us with the term loan, debt against the lot of medical equipment that we buy. So we were able to get a loan for procuring those, as well as we got a cash credit line from them. So that has been a very useful addition to our financial requirements. Well, I've been an entrepreneur now for 21 years, and once you build a startup, then it becomes a little addictive. You want to keep doing that because the high of building something completely out of nothing, it's a blank slate, it's your mind, it's your ideas which are coming to life, is something which is super exciting. And we've created hundreds and thousands of jobs in a completely new sector, literally created a new opportunity for people to build careers. So that's something which is extremely fulfilling.